Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. So in this video we are going to show how to use the JavaScript reduce function. So this is a prototype function that is used on the array. So as I can see, a lot of people do not use it or are afraid to use it because maybe they do not know fully how it works. So in this video we are going to show how it works and test it. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like or subscribe. And let's start. So first we need to create a new file. We will create a file called reduce.js. Okay, it is created. Let's now add some simple example where we are going to show how it works. Okay, so first we need some array. We will have array of numbers. Let's say array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Let's maybe make the sum of these numbers. So we will say let sum is equal to 0. Okay, how do we make the sum? Let's say const sum. We already used sum. Final sum equals array.reduce. Okay, so what does it accept? It accepts a callback function. First, we have previous value, prev value, okay, and current value, cur value, okay. That is the function. And what also it accepts? It accepts initial value. This means the value before the iteration. In this example, it is sum. This can be used if we have some previous calculation that was made. Okay, and you want to add that also. So what do we do here? In here we return. What do we return? We return the prev value plus current value. Okay, and let's log it to see how this works. Final sum, like that. We need a new terminal. Okay, node reduce.js. It's 15. As you can see, this is correct. So this adds every time on every iteration. So every time we return this value. Okay, this will be the previous value and this will be the current value. So for the first time, for the first iteration, the prev value will be the sum. Okay, you understand it? And every time it's going to add on the previous. Like if you could do something like this, sum plus equal, like that operation. But we have some few more parameters. We have current index and array. Let's log it for you to see. Current index and array. So as you can see, array, we have the array, our array, we have the index. That is the current index that we are using. Let's also log the previous value and the current value for you to understand better. Current value let's make some break space like that. Okay. As you can see here, so the pre value first time it is 0 on the initial. And we have 1. And then we have 1 from the previous, and 2 is the next sum. Okay. And then we have 3 and 3 later. And we have 6. Okay, the 4, this is the 44th element. Okay, this is the sum. The pre value will be our sum in the end. Okay. As you can see, for the final turn, we have 10, and it adds 5, it will be 15. And that will return the pri value. That will be our sum. So this reduce function is really useful when you are doing some summing or some really maybe complex operation. It can help you utilize this ability and that you have the indexes, the array, and the current and the previous value. It will help you make your code more efficient and more readable. So hopefully if you guys enjoyed, please leave a like or subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.